What's up guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Vlad and you're watching Vlad TV. In today's video we're going to be unboxing the Motorola G8. So without further ado, let's get started. First up, we have, of course, the phone itself. I'm going to put that aside for the time being and we'll come back to it shortly. Next, we have the AC adapter. This is a 10-watt rapid charger. Then we have the USB Type-C cable. We have the headphones. And lastly, we have some warranty information booklets. The Moto G8 also comes with a clear case pre-applied on the phone. On the front of the phone, we have a 6.4-inch Max Vision HD Plus display. We have a hole punch 8-megapixel front-facing camera for selfies. On the right of the phone, we have the power button and the volume keys. On the top of the phone, we have a 3.5mm headphone jack and a microphone. The left side of the phone houses the SIM tray, which also doubles as the memory card slot. On the bottom of the phone, we have a microphone, we have the USB Type-C port, and we also have the speaker grille. And on the back of the phone, we have the 3 camera setup. We have the laser autofocus, the LED flash, and also a fingerprint sensor. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you for joining me in this unboxing video. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And like always, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below in the comments section and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. See you next time.